Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your love read. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see, Pisces, how you're doing, how your person is doing, and what action we can expect in this connection. And these are general collective readings, Pisces, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. Alright Pisces, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And newbies, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, I'm setting down 2 sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, your mutual energies, etc. For the duration of the reading though, Pisces, I will be calling this side person A, this side person B. And well, if this is your reading, you'll know which side you're on, right? So action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Tower in reverse. Well, something's crashed down, but from what I feel, honestly, one person does want to rebuild. There is somebody who's deeply thinking about the happily ever after. Well, maybe that offer was not given in the past. Somebody felt very disappointed that their person was not, leveling up or whatever. Now suspicion has come in, anger has come in, distrust has come in. But the other person, even though they want to come out of the cold with their person, they are fearing a little bit of rejection, I think. Maybe in the past this person was, they were a little bit of a heartbreaker or just a flirt or something like that, but now I know that they feel terrible about it, and as much as they want to now get back to their person, they are fearing a little bit of rejection. So let's see, Pisces, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify these cards. So Pisces and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person spirit. Thank you. And I'm going to take a few more Pisces from another deck. And Pisces, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Pisces and their person. Thank you. Okay, good to go, Pisces. The first card I have here says, "You are the most beautiful creature I have ever seen." I wonder if there's someone else who can make you happier than I can. When I said I love you forever, I meant it. Missing you so much. We truly did have something special. No one else comes close to all the good things you've done for me. I'm learning that I can still have a great life without you. I think somebody's got fed up here. I think person A's got little fed up and upset and angry and saying, hey, listen, I can still have a great life without you. Even if you don't come forward, of course, I'm angry, upset. Do you really believe I'm the one for you? Okay, so I think person B is going through a little bit of reflection time here, and they're wondering, is there somebody better than me, or can somebody make you happier than me? Do you really feel I'm the one for you? So they're having a bit of doubts about themselves, not about their person. So Pisces, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to start the reading. Let's see what my angels have for you first, and then we clarify the rest of the cards. So my angels, what do you have for Pisces? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Pisces? Okay, peaceful. So Pisces, the peace will be restored back to this connection from what I feel. If there's some turbulence going, even if it's inside your heart at the moment, I think it's time to, well, let that go, because it's very, very essential to accept. I don't know what, but there is space coming. I don't know what to say to this, Pisces. But there will be a peaceful resolution, and at least that's what my angels say. Even though I do feel somebody is very upset and angry at the moment, Queen of Wands in reverse, the other person is thinking. Give them a little time. I'm sure they're going to come to their conclusion about how to get this back together. Okay, so okay. Let's start with person A first. Pisces, I'm going to start with the energies of person A. This could be you. You could be on the other side. I don't know. I'm just reading two energies here and see where the story goes. So, person A, why do you feel like the Queen of Pentacles in reverse? Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Well, person A says, I feel disrespected. I feel such a close connection to person B in the spiritual realm, yet I always find myself alone, overthinking, stressed out, wondering where they are, what they're doing. Are they with any third parties? What are they up to? Because I find myself alone in a connection which I feel so drawn to or so spiritually connected with. And where is the proposal? Where is the offer? They still haven't come forward to tell me anything, and that's really making me upset, angry, bitter, and I don't trust them anymore. I mean, I want them to come and speak their truth to me. I want them to be honest with me, but when they do talk, they are so unemotional. I don't feel connected to them when they talk to me in the real life. Like when they come and have a conversation with me, it's all cold and, matter of fact. So where are the cups? Where is the love? I don't think this is, I'm coming to believe that maybe this is not my soulmate because of the way they behave with me. So what happened, person A, in the recent past that you've become this upset now with person B? Person B says, Eight of Swords in reverse. They tried, I think. They tried to stop this overthinking, maybe imagine a future, or even offer some hints to person B that, hey, listen, let's not overthink it. We can have a happily ever after. And, maybe subtle hints were given about maybe having a future together. But I don't think that really went the right way here. Six of Swords in reverse. They got blocked out. Oh my God. Person A felt, even though I tried to get out of my head and actually make it work, I got blocked out. They were so stern with me. They still have their eyes closed to the connection. They have these swords which are protecting their heart, and they never let me into their heart. So things probably went a different direction. Yeah, the offer was, well, not received or not given. So that's what happened here in the recent past. Okay, so how do you feel about the connection now, person A? Person A is kind of getting disappointed. They're saying Four of Wands in reverse. I think it's best to shut this down. I don't think this is ever going to happen. I'm still very upset and I'm very angry. I feel they keep secrets from me all the time. They don't open up. And it emotionally disturbs me to a point when I see this kind of behavior from them, very playerish or very, I still feel they have third parties maybe. And they just behave so immaturely. I'm sure they have secrets. I'm planning to walk away. I would rather walk away from this connection because I don't trust it. I don't believe in it anymore. Okay, so what action person A will actually take or will think of taking, I'm going to open later, Pisces. Let's go on to the other side and see what person B is up to. So person B, Five of Pentacles in reverse. Why do you feel that way? Five of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, one more. They do want to come back so badly. Pisces, person B really does have sweet memories with you, with person A. They do want to come back desperately, but they're feeling very judged. They feel very judged by person A, and they are feeling, they don't know how to get out of this, feeling, they don't know how to come and give that offer. They think about it, but they feel abandoned, to be honest, because they feel that they've already been judged as being a player, as being somebody who's a heartbreaker or who's just a flirt. They think their reputation has become such that they will, even an apology is not going to work now. This person is actually not like that, Pisces. They've gone into a little bit of reflection mode. They are thinking heavily about, what are they thinking about, Spirit? About communicating. They want to talk, they want to communicate, but they don't know how to say it, what to say. They are standing here, maybe waiting for a sign or a signal from person A, but that's what they want. They want to start talking again. But meanwhile, I think they're a little afraid to make the first move as they feel they'll be rejected. So, what happened, person B, in the recent past that you are that scared? The Sun in reverse. Sun in reverse. Things stopped moving between the two of you. Two of Pentacles in reverse, Two of Pentacles in reverse. I don't know what happened here. Let me check. What happened, Spirit, with the Two of Pentacles in reverse? Somebody wanted to be free, maybe, or they wanted their independence. They didn't want any burden. I don't know. One more. One more. There was some communication about the fact that, hey, I'd rather have my freedom, or they didn't want to get into a relationship. They didn't want to, I don't know, some decision was made in the recent past. Maybe this person in the past wanted to maybe check out their other options, or see what else was out there, or see if the grass was greener on the other side, but they dropped all that. I think they did drop all that, but by that time I think things had already closed off between the two of you. Things had changed between the two of you by the time I think they made that decision that I don't want to juggle anymore. I have made my choice. I think it may have been a little late. I don't know. So how do you feel about the connection now, person B? Well, they are in hermit mode. They are thinking. They are feeling very embarrassed and very ashamed of being the kind of person maybe they were in the past. Maybe they were a bit of a trickster, maybe illusionist, or maybe doing things that they shouldn't have. Person B is very embarrassed and ashamed of their own actions, and they're actually sitting and reflecting upon their own past behavior. They are seeing themselves in the mirror, I think, now, and wondering whether they can even now manifest this connection back. They know they've hurt their Queen of Pentacles very badly. This was person A's first card, if you remember. I'll show it to you. Queen of Pentacles was right here. That's how person A was made to feel. The offer was not given. They were disrespected. So the person B is now thinking about all that. The universe has, I think, put them into hermit mode to reflect on all that they've done till now. But they do want this Ten of Cups very badly. They do. This is how they feel about person A and the connection. Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups. Yes. Look at this, Pisces. Look at this. Ten of Cups and the commitment card, the Hierophant. That's how they see person A. They're just not coming forward because either they are embarrassed or ashamed, or they messed up in the past and they feel that, they've already created too much trouble between the two of you. They desperately want to communicate, but they have a fear of rejection. Do they want to rebuild this connection? 100% they do. So now I'm going to clarify these cards, Pisces. Just give me a second. I'm going to shut the door for a second. There is some noises coming from outside. Okay, sorry. Just shut the door. There was some people talking outside. Okay, so now let's see what are these cards. Okay, so some things have stagnated I don't know where these cards dropped out from, but these are suggesting that things have stagnated. But I do feel one person may be thinking the chapter is shut, but the other person does want another go around. They want to start a brand new chapter. So I'm going to put these here and see now what actions you guys will most likely take towards each other. So person A What's the action for you? Devil in reverse. Why is that an action, person A? Why is that an action? Why is that an action from your end? Action. Oh, Three of Swords. Person A is quite heartbroken and very stressed out. They keep going back and forth in their mind whether they should now release this connection which they feel has become toxic. But 50% of their mind still wants to have victory in this connection. So as heartbroken as they are going back and forth in their mind because I think the person they feel is too slow or, ooh, Emperor wanted to come out. Okay, so this person A, they are not going to admit anyone else in their life except somebody who's actually going to come and do the right thing. Some person A is expecting an emperor to enter their life. They want somebody to actually come and take charge, take control and be bold and say what is on their mind. Less than that, I don't think person A is even willing to accept anymore. Because things have anyways gone really slow in the past. It's almost on the verge. Person A could be on the verge of saying, what should I do? Should I just release this connection? Going back and forth, right? Maybe find victory elsewhere. They've been broken-hearted for a very long time because of person B's behavior. So, let's see person B. Person B, what action will you take? Will you take any action towards person A? Ace of Pentacles, but in reverse. Why is that? Okay, person B is so scared. They are the Seven of Pentacles. They do want to invest. They do want to invest 100%. But this person is so scared of coming forward to person A, who they think is very upset and angry with them, that they are continuously spying, watching, studying. Is that all they're going to do, Spirit, or will they ever make a move? Any action from their end? One more. King of Swords. Okay, so it may not happen today or tomorrow, or it may, you never know. Well, they've been sitting in this energy for a very long time, the Four of Cups, right? They've been feeling very bored, discontent, sad that, they are unable to communicate. After all this spying, I do feel one day suddenly this person is going to send a message. These two cards just flipped out together. That's the Page of Wands, which means an unexpected message, good news or some communication, and then you have the King of Swords. Somebody does want to come and speak their truth. So, well, there is a big possibility. Let me take one more. So, person A, anything from you? Any action from you? Queen of Swords. All right, this is an equal pair. Queen of Swords with the King of Swords. There will be communication, definitely. Okay, so Queen of Swords, don't be too harsh on the King of Swords. They're really trying to pick up their guts to be able to even send that first message. Trust me. Okay, so just hear them out and then you can decide what boundaries you want to keep in the future or not. So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.